Hi, this is Abid Kazmi for DCTV USA, and here are the major headlines. Iraq is deploying thousands of additional security personnel to protect the 84-year-old Pope during the visit, which comes after a spat of rocket and suicide bomb attack, raising fears for his safety. Violence against minority groups in Iraq, especially when a third of a country was being run by the Islamic State, has reduced its ancient Christianity community to a fifth of its once 1.5. Charged by New Zealand's workplace regulator over the deadly White Island volcano eruption, appeared in an Auckland court for the first time on Friday. A surprise eruption on the White Island on December 9, 2019 killed 22 people and injured dozens. There were 47 people on the island, mainly tourists, when the volcano erupted. WorkSafe, a New Zealand's primary regulator for workplace related incidents, found that the 13 parties had not met their health and safety obligations in taking the tourist to the White Island. Japanese supercomputer simulations showed that wearing two masks gave limited benefit in blocking viral spread compared with one properly fitted mask. The finding in part contradict recent recommendations from the US Centers of Disease Control and Prevention that two masks were better than one at reducing a person's exposure to the coronavirus. Cricket Board Wasim Khan said the decision to suspend the HBL Pakistan Super League with immediate effect was made following a meeting with the team owners. The decision was made after 7 cases were reported in the competition, which started on February 20th. Officials did not immediately give a resumption date of the event and said they will look for the next possible window after safe departures of player is ensured. Pakistan imposed a lockdown only for a few weeks after the first COVID-19 case was detected in March last year and has gradually lifted the few restrictions it had in place since then. Thank you.